Anybody waiting for the actual whole house cleaning results for this Shark powered liftaway that got itself a new motor? Just make sure I get that balanced properly on there. All right, we're going to start out at 974.3 grams empty bin weight. Now let's do 1,000 square feet of just carpet. I won't be converting it into its lift-away mode at all. And I also will be using the suction control valve in its fully closed maximum airflow and suction position. So stay tuned for the results. Just finished 1,000 square feet. And let's see what the powered liftaway deluxe managed to pick up. So we do the raw bin weight first, and then we will extract it. A lot of fibrous material, obviously. Okay, I will call it at, yep, you can see it, just barely, but you can see it, 982.8, and then I'll subtract the initial 974.3, and we have 8.5 glare, 8.5 grams. Now that's a raw bin weight. That's pretty good. So remember, my extracted average, that includes, extracting it from a bin and also bag machines, is 8.42. But this isn't comparable because that's raw bin weight. So now let's extract this. Let's see what we got here. Now look at all that. A lot of fibrous material, mostly fibrous material. That's about all you're going to be able to get out of that. Little pinch escaped. Okay, let's get a scale that can measure all that, but that's a big pile of fiber. I've got my sensitive scale here, and let's take a look. Now, where you see, where you see just light gray stuff, like right here, that is clean carpet that's no longer in my carpet. Where you see this brown stuff here, that is my dog, especially there, that's my dog Rosie's hair. So let's see. You can kind of almost separate, I mean, it's not going to be precise, how much of my carpet it has ripped out compared to everything else. Loosely. There's a little more underneath there. Okay. Time to weigh it. Okay, fibrous material. I'm going to have to squeeze this down a bit to make room. All right, fibrous material. We are at, that's a nice blob in it. And, this isn't a perfect way of doing this. So we will say 6.80 grams of mostly fibrous material. And then everything else brings it up to a total of, I'll say 7.60 grams. So now that extracted amount would be the one that you would compare to the overall average of 8.42. And that includes all my machines, whether they be, bagless, extracted of course, or bagged. So this machine gets a little below average score. But remember, this machine came in with a blown motor and the brush roll definitely worn. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. I guess I gotta get the hair out, don't I? Gotta get ready for the next vacuuming session. That's a clump. Okay, that'll do.